of this board, I am sworn to do my duty. Arm yourself, pirate. Bring me my sword. Honestly, who's overcompensating here? Certainly not me. My other sword. Ah, thank you. I like it.
Let's go, Jack!
Come on, come on! Go, Uh-oh! What's on there? He only needs one hand. You know what you're doing, I'll give you that. Oh, thank you, sir. You're not bad yourself. Shall we then? Sporting! How's it there, boys? Oh, Captain, get there! Take what you can!
Give nothing back!
Bloody pirate! Ha! Oh! Thank you, you're very kind of you. Why is the rum always gone? Story of my life, Nate. You put me to a standstill, sir! Never have I met my match in battle! Let us be brothers and fight for the right as one! I have another idea. Oh, God! I got come back here! How do you know?
Keep going!